2025 na, VA ka na ba? Hindi pa? Bakit? Kasi na-overthink mo yung niche mo? Nakakainis! Hey guys, it's Sean, the founder of Barangay VA University and community, and welcome to my latest series called Nakakainis, wherein I will prove to you that as early as now that you can be an effective virtual assistant. Kaya tama na ang overthinking. And for this episode, we're gonna talk about episode 5, which is email marketing virtual assistant or funnel designer. Let's talk about this right now. But before we even start with that, if you still don't have access to our Notion, board, please do so by going to our description box. Click the link, save the link. All the things that you need are there. Previous episode links, future episode schedules, and all the links of our free resources are there. So please pause this video right now. Go to the description box, click that link, and save that link. I'm giving you time. Let's go. Okay na? Okay, let's go. So what is the role of an email marketing VA? His or her role is, of course, his role is to assist in writing, scheduling, analyzing email campaigns, use for email newsletters, nurture sequences and promotions, and hopefully convert at the end of everything. So what are the usual tasks on a daily basis? So you're to write and edit emails. So this email can be for sales, promos, or newsletters. You manage subscriber lists and segments. You create email automations and workflows. You also do A/B testing of subject lines and CTAs. And you analyze open rates and click-through rate. Analyze. Kailangan mo talino. So some tools that they use here are Mailchimp, Flowdesk, ConvertKit, Cavio is very, very popular. ActiveCampaign is very, very popular at the same time. Of course, AI tools, Gemini, ChatGPT, Claude, all these AI tools are very helpful. So what are the required skills here to be an effective email marketing VA? Number one is, of course, English writing skills. Excellent ka dapat dyan, So strong English and copywriting background is very important. You can just write. There's like a science behind that. Digital marketing experience is preferred because there's like a science behind everything that you do. That's why there's analytics, and you must understand customer journey and sales funnel, because you are also known as a funnel designer. You're not just to like create email campaigns, but to also create landing pages, workflows, automations, everything. It's a combination of everything to make sure that at the end you don't just nurture but convert. There's sales involved here at the end. What are the previous jobs of the current email VA marketers right now? They were copywriters, CRM assistants, marketing coordination or coordinators, and content creators with email lists, email marketing lists. One thing that I want to highlight here is that email marketing VAs, they are now familiar with CRMs, and the most popular right now is Buhay level. That's one of the most popular CRM that these people use right now. So if your hobbies are writing newsletters, blogging, marketing funnels, and email automations, then this might be the best role for you. So comment below and say, hi, I'm your future email marketing VA if you think this one is for you. Thank you, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye! Enjoy!